Food is my way of expressing myself, who I am, and what I've been through in my life. We opened L'Impression in November 2018, so many things are still new to me. We are constantly studying and experimenting with new flavors and also introducing lots of innovation in our restaurant. Where do I find my inspiration? Sometimes it can be as simple as when I'm enjoying a cup of good coffee. My cuisine has a French base, but I touch a lot on Korean culture, as well by offering my own creativity and modern perspective on my own culture. For this collaboration with Nespresso, I'm preparing a main course. It's not a vegetarian, but it's a vegetable-driven dish. First, I cook the celeriac in chicken jus. I treat it like a protein, so it gets all this meaty flavor. And I finish it on the charcoal grill, so it will taste like a piece of beef. On top of it, I will put different variation of beet with different textures. It will be roasted, so you have a nice crunchy texture. And then I will cover it with chestnut puree. It will look like the classic French Mont Blanc dessert, but it will be a savory. To give the dish its final touch, I top it off with some chips or tuile and finish it with a Nespresso coffee-based sauce. Whenever I speak with Nespresso, they always talk about sustainability and taking care of the environment. So I wanted to create a dish that emphasized these values. I like the strong intensity of their master origins in their blend, so I only have to use a little to get a bold flavor. In French cuisine, it is common to serve a braised protein in a coffee sauce, for example, as a venison or beef stew. But I didn't want to do an ordinary dish. I wanted to present something more creative and innovative, something that tells you a little story about who we are at L'Impression. Nespresso is a well-known brand, but what many people may not know is they are working very closely with the farmers to think about sustainability. They also find ways to reuse their coffee grounds and aluminum capsules. I use Nespresso coffee because it delivers high-quality coffee consistently, cup after cup. Bon appétit! 맛있게 드세요.